Woo! Back cooking with Chef P and Bonz. And what we want to do is rest your mind. Because when you step to my mobile unit, everything is going to be fresh. Because we believe that food makes the world go round. So the chef is getting ready to slice up some turkey. And it will be sliced to order. I'm just letting you know that I just don't barbecue. I cook for a living. So I'm gonna grab a little paper here. And I'm gonna slice up some turkey for my lovely clients. We'll make it happen. Family. Nice and fresh and smooth.